that out there. We are prepared for what is to come. Oh God, we went and got a propane tank. What? Propane tank. Because we have our grill out there, and so in case the power goes out, we will have a way to cook. Baller, but we'll have to stand out there in the cold. Oh well. This is our grill that we have. So should the power go out, at least we can make food, and the propane goes right in that area. Okay. Guys, I think this is ice. No, just kidding, it's just rain. But it's supposed to freeze. So all of this that you're looking at is gonna be super, super dangerous. Alright, me tocó ir. I made it! Who does this? I have to go pick up dry cleaners. I mean, I guess I don't have to, but I took them yesterday thinking that when did I take them? I don't even remember. Not that, a couple of days ago. But we were supposed to go pick them up yesterday, but we didn't. We completely forgot because we had other stuff to do. So, and we went and got propane. Duh, I've already told you guys. But mom was supposed to go pick it up today. I asked her and I was like, can you go pick it up? Because she was going out to give so here's the thing. Anyways, we had to go turn like the water off, or like the key or whatever, I don't even know, to our B&B, because so that it doesn't freeze. So, but I always carry the key, and so mom had to drive the key out to Babe so that he can go do, or like go shut off the keys and everything, so that no pipes burst and all that, or freeze or whatever, I don't know. So anyways, because we don't know how bad it's gonna be, okay, we're already traumatized with what happened last year. So she went to go do that, and I told her, I was like, okay, well, do you mind picking up the dry cleaners on your way back? And she was like, yeah, sure, I got you. But mind you, she stopped by the store because we needed some waters and a few other little things. She's like, just to be like prepared in case, just in case, right? So she went and completely forgot to pick up the dry cleaners. So she's like, I'm so sorry. I was like, it's fine. So now I'm on the way to go pick up dry cleaners, and I left Bean with Mom because obviously it's too cold out here to take her out, and that way I can just zoom there and zoom back, and that's it. Oh God.
Ya sabe.
Wait!
Oh, jeez.
See that? She's the cutest. Oh, mándame esas.
Mira.
Qué gorro, mamá.
Uy, 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 uy. Mama! Snow! Let's go play!
A ver.
No le va a quedar. Mande.
You're getting in my way of all the pictures.
I'm sorry.
Hey, con cuidado, porque hay hielo. Hey, hazle así.
¡Brinca!
Así, mira. Eso. Mira. Eso. Así. Eso.
Sí. Check it out. Mom made us some caldo de shrimp and crab. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh. That's right, carnalgas.
Te sirve, no. ¿Sí?
Sí, la
¿Quién fue la
chef.
chef? ¿Quién hizo esta cena muy deliciosa?
Yo.
Yo, ay.
Dele un cachito de lo más.
Mamá, tell the people. Alright guys, so today is day 1 of the winter storm. We got it again this year, but thankfully it hasn't been too bad. It's been snowing on and off all day. And I think it's supposed to ice tonight, or it's supposed to be worse. And so tomorrow's just supposed to be worse.
Yes.
But we haven't lost power, we haven't lost water. Pool's looking good. We're keeping it running the whole time. So it really hasn't stopped running. Yeah, so that looks good. Everything looks good so far. So, yep, that's it. That's the update. Shut up. So we'll see how tomorrow goes, but we're just hanging out. Poopy's is super bored because we're stuck inside. We went outside earlier to go play, but really, like, you can only be out there for like a little bit because it's so cold. And then after that, there's like nothing else to do but be inside. So that's it. Say bye. Me? Everything's melting. I'm so sad.
No, yes. We hate the winter.
I was hoping the snow would stay forever. ¿Mande? No, but I think it's like in her calf, around her calf.
How you doing? Good?
Tiene sus chamorros. This makes me sad. You know what? I think that's what's going on at the house.
Yeah. That thing is melting.
Yeah, you're right. But when you said that,
This way.
I thought you meant the one on the ground. I was like, how can I hear that?
This way.
Brain fart. I don't think my brain works the same as other people's.
Be careful here, okay? Give me your hand. Hello? Thank you. Okay, lo das así.
Shake the snow off, Mama. You can come sit with me. Ah, it's too bright. Sit down. Mira, play with this one. Here. All right, guys. So I absolutely, yeah, I absolutely forgot to make an outro video. So for my winter storm video, so this is the outro. Thankfully, this year, the winter storm was not bad. We didn't lose power. We didn't lose water. Everything was... Oh, no, don't touch that. Yeah. Everything was fine. And hopefully, every other Texan can say the same thing. I didn't hear anything bad happening this year, which I'm so thankful for because we as Texans are traumatized. It was so bad last year. Not for us specifically, but there were so many horror stories about what happened last year that we're traumatized, you know. We weren't prepared for it. And so thankfully it wasn't as bad this time and we just got snow. So anyways, I am also doing a giveaway for you guys, 2 lucky winners. So you guys be sure to follow the following that I'm about to tell you to enter this giveaway. And cuz who doesn't like a giveaway, right? Free stuff. So anyways, this is what you guys have to do is just like this video. Be sure you're subscribed to me, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below your email address so that I know a good way to contact you. I'm going to be doing the giveaway via Instagram, but if I can't get a hold of you through Instagram, then I will use your email provided in the comment down below to get a hold of you. So be sure to do that because I want to be sure that I'm going to give you your winning prize. And it's not anything big, but just something for you guys if you guys are interested in, like I guess. And like I said, it's free stuff. So got my little director back there. Y'all should see her. Okay, so anyways, for the first prize, it's gonna be this Instax Mini 9. It is the white one, and it comes with a selfie little mirror that you can attach to it. It says that it also comes with a hand strap, sticker, AA battery, and instruction manual. So this is what comes in here. Hasn't been opened, and like I said, it's the white one. So for my second lucky winner, I am doing this little baggie with tea tree. It's the Tea Tree Lavender Mint Moisturizing Shampoo and Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. Comes with this cute little baggie. And it still has like the little information pamphlet, whatever, attached to it. And they're not travelers. I thought they were traveler sizes, but I think they're a little bit bigger than travelers, but would be perfect for your gym bag. If you're going to the gym and you shower there, this would be perfect. So this is the, like I said, tea tree lavender mint moisturizing shampoo. It smells so good. Okay, you can hold that. And then the lavender mint conditioning leave-in spray. They both smell so good. And this little baggie. So come on, let's put them back. Okay. Anyways, so that's what you guys will be getting. And like I said, whenever I post this video, I'll wait a month and then I'll be doing the giveaway via Instagram. So it gives you guys enough time to join, and I'll run it like that. Those are gonna be the two prizes. You guys be sure to enter the giveaway, and that is it. And guys, thanks so much for watching my videos. I love you. Stay safe out there. Mwah. Bye.